Today
is show you how to cook. First, this is a knife. This is a cutting board. This is a green pea. This is the strawberry. This is a fish. This is the egg. This is the green apple. I cut the green pea. I put in the pot. I cut the fish. I put in the pot. I cut the egg. I put in the pot. And I stir. I turn on the stove top. I turn on. I stir with the ladle. I scoop. I put on the paste. 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 I scoop and put on the paste. I eat the fish with the spoons and fork. I first with the milk, with the cup, and the green milk. I agar is organs and flour. I did it.